Oh my, do we have a full day today? We got a lot of stuff going on. We're gonna get some power cut off on one of our rental properties so we can have a tree cut down. We're gonna get some fiber installed, hopefully. It's supposed to be here at 10 o'clock. We'll see what happens. Power company 9 o'clock. Fiber people at 10 o'clock. Internet people at 12 o'clock. Got to replace the cabinet drawers on one of the rental properties. Don't know what else. It's going to be a full day. And that is the start of a Monday morning. Hopefully we'll get this thing done today and we'll get the power back on, but who knows? We'll just do what we can do. Now these guys, okay, well we're gonna get this tree taken out, and we had the power company come and they have dropped this power line, and we are gonna come in. The guy's gonna bring in his bucket or crane or whatever he's got, and he's gonna remove that tree back there. Project number 2 for the day is getting the fiber optics installed. We're gonna come from this vault through that truck. We're gonna go through, well, we're not gonna go through the window. We're gonna go down the road, way down there. And that's where we're gonna come out of that to go into the house. And the total amount of cable, you can see it here, 250 feet from around the corner down to that junction box or vault or whatever you want to call it, and way down there, 250 feet. Gonna have to pull it through, and ooh, we got water. I'm just glad it's not me digging down in that mud. Okay, here is the fiber running over here and coming up this piece of conduit and connecting into this box. This box is where we do a transition from our, this fiber to this fiber. This goes on inside up through the attic, and that was fun. But it wasn't fun for me because I didn't do it. Hey, now they've got everything tidied up here, and I tell you what, this is going to be really nice. That thing is tiny. But that's where the internet comes in. Comes in there, comes in there, goes into there, goes into there, comes out, and goes into the router. Let's do a speed test real quick, see how fast this internet is, because it's fast. Then would you look at that? Yard guy came, cut the grass. I'm glad I don't have to do this. It's nice having a yard guy. If you can afford to get you a yard guy, get one. Saves me a lot of time. And who wants to cut grass anyway? Not me. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.